Matahari enggak? Bukan matahari ya. Bukan Mazda, biasa-biasa ya. Training cancel kan? Tapi kita harus melawan. Aku leh maya biak subak, maya seluruh Sarawak subak. Oh ya kah? Apa aku nak nemu pun Nuan suruh aku tinggi tapi aku nak kelak nemu pun Nuan masuk Sukma ke apa. By the way, good luck ah. I'm the one who training here. Tahu dah Nuan bedak ada lagi. Lama sudah praktik. Sit dah lama dari 2019 lah. Belanja pattern. Pattern apa? Boleh fight futra. Jangan fight. Nak penat kah? Nak. Kita harus train kita punya body. Sebab kalau kita baring pun kita penat. Pattern apa? Oke, mulai jab, hook, 360 sekali loh. 360. Reverse turning kah? Jumping reverse turning. Coba. Boleh lah. Boleh lah. Coba jumping. Tuan muda ini mati stamina. Kang steady laga. Tidak sungkai kah bro? Dah tadi pukul 4. Belanja 360. Pakai bagal. Baik. Steady raya, thank you. Ini agak kinde. Belanja 360. Turning kick, okay. Fokus. Mantap, thank you. Like. Bukber bang. Dolok. Payung lagi bang. Kick apa lagi? Macam tang sudo. Lebih kurang. Mantap bang, thank you. Bagi gift. Kasih keluar semua bang. Okay. Bang, formation black belt. Formation apa? Formation 433. Cubalah black belt pattern ITF. Apa oh? Kurang kah? 540 kick. 540. Agak sukar 540. Macam mana? Si pandai lah. Surenja. Boleh try. Koreo. Saya ITF bro, ITF. Kalau WT kan itu yang pomse. Apa? Kuangge. Saya coba buat kuangge. Okay. Wait. Monitor. Ha. Boleh. Ni padu lagi WTF ke ITF? Dua-dua padu. Dua-dua padu. Dan kalau WTF atau ITF, dua-dua padu juga lah. WTF ataupun ITF ya. Cuma kelebihan WT, kalau kita orang dengan WT itu pattern first dan ke bro ya. Ya, kalau tak orang dengan WT, tak orang lebih banyak expose dengan sukan-sukan lah. Sukma, Olimpik, bagi macam-macam. So senang lah untuk career development. And WT sangat laju lah. Okay, rentak dia fast pattern. Kalau ITF ni adalah pattern yang first diasaskan oleh Mendiang General Choi Hong Hee. Tapi kalau dari segi association, persatuan, federation, tak berapa kuat lah. Sebab banyak terpecah, ada ITF Vienna lah, ITF Spain. Dan kenapa saya secara pribadi pilih ITF, sebab ITF ni lebih mirip dengan kickboxing. Okay, kalau orang cakap taekwondo tu dia apa? Dia banyak guna kaki, itu sebenarnya mereka refer to WT lah, World Taekwondo. Kalau ITF, taekwondo yang mula-mula tu dia apa? ITF yang saya belajar lah, ITF. Mereka macam kickboxing, gunakan tangan, ada juga tangan, kaki. Tapi not as popular as WT lah. So dua-dua okay. As long as martial art. Sebab kalau yang paling kuat pakai senjata lah kuat, kan? Tak pun lari, betul tak? Jangan kelahi dengan orang. Okay, biar siapa nak menang, kita mesti lari. Martial art is the last option lah. For me ITF pun spa macam best. Ya, best sebab for orang yang minat combat sport maybe lebih relate lah, sebab menggunakan tangan dan kaki lah, lebih macam kickboxing. Okay, dia ada macam jab, cross, uppercut. So macam tu lah, macam tu. Saya WT. Okay, salam perkenalan tuan WT. WT pun okay. Okay. Apa lagi? Ya. Kalau ITF, sebab ITF lebih mirip dengan kickboxing lah. Tangan dan kaki. Sebab kalau WT, silap saya, boleh tumbuk ke muka. So kurang best lah. Okay. Open Unimas lah, datanglah training dekat Pitas dengan WTF. Boleh. Diusahakan. Terima kasih sebab invite. Tunggu lepas habis. Tunggu lepas raya lah balik Unimas. Alright. Salam perkenalan. ITF boleh guna ni ke? I forgot. Kalau dalam sparring tak boleh guna ni. Sebab agak berbahaya. Injury. Okay. Tapi ada benda yang lebih best daripada knee strike. Which is okay. For me jumping back kick is much better lah than knee strike. Sebab imagine lah kalau orang serang. Okay. Back. Oh. Okay. For me jumping knee strike lah. Jumping back kick. Bagus. Apa lagi saya mau training oh? Since training cancel hari ni. Bagi idea lah. Low telegraph. Kepada yang Muslim, selamat bersuka. Okay. Have a nice dinner. Apa lagi saya mau pulang? Patah kaki dapat taekwondo sih. Dapat. Sebab taekwondo is seni tangan dan kaki. Kalau kaki sih dapat, tangan kan masih ada. So boleh. Okay. Kalau yang ada tangan ya. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Kalau kena bom rasa-rasanya sempat elak tak? Aduh. Kalau kena bom tu, yang hanya dapat diandalkan hanyalah doa. Doa dan ibadah dan tawakal. Okay. Fajar sekarang belajar taekwondo. Woi, nice. Karate, bukan tuan. Taekwondo, the art of hand and leg. Zaz. Muay Thai nomor 1. Oh, best. Muay Thai pun bagus. A very highly deadly combat juga sebab very high contact. Payung flying kick. Flying kick macam mana? Flying kick. X kick kah? Rasanya run then kick tu. Kick dalam wando tu apa aja? Orang demo please. Jump side kick bro. Oh boleh. Sekejap ah. Kita mesti lari 100 meter. Kasih. Sini nampak lah kau ni. Okay, start. Mantap. Thank you. Saya pun cik terror gila tu. Kita masih belajar supaya menjadi terror. Yang paling kalau terror, Jojo lah terror. Bangga, alhamdulillah. Warang demo please, saya lupa. Okay, cuba. Saya pun ingat lupa. Okay. First, square hand. Bukanlah square hand. Right. Start the palms right. Move. Sitting stand. 1. Middle punch. 2. Middle punch. 3. L stand. Inner forearm, twin forearm. Okay. Walk, shoot. Side punch. Right. Punch. Low block. Punch. Snap. Right hand strike. Punch. Turn. Okay. Hola. Good evening, Yu dan Zhao. Greeting to you. Good evening, Mr. Yan. How are you? Reverse hooking kick stationary speed with balance. Woi, nice. Cuba. Saya cepat lupa benda ni, sir. Tak apa, biasa tu proses pembelajaran. Reverse hooking kick stationary speed with balance. Okay, cuba. Reverse hooking kick. Taekwondo ke ini? Ya, betul. Tegut 10 dulu. Bukan, itu WT abangku. Sobat Do, bukan. ITF Taekwondo, International Taekwondo Federation. Sebab Taekwondo ada dua cabang yang popular. Satu, center mana, sir? Serian. Then neck combo, hooking kick, turning kick, same leg. Woi, seh. Ampun, sir. Hooking kick, turning kick, same leg. Okay. Try. Salah. Itu instead turning kick. Boleh lah. Center mana saya? Serian. Tegut 10. Oh ya, pasal WT tadi. WT tu ada dua cabang lah Taekwondo. Satu WT, satu ITF. World Taekwondo famous dalam sukan apa-apalah. Sukan Commonwealth kah, Sukma kah, Olimpik kah. ITF dia kurang popular sebab ITF practice tak tahulah, memang kurang popular. Selalunya dekat Europe, Eastern Europe dengan North Korea. Adalah masalah dia, perpecahan. Banyak lah, dari ITF Mereka ada GTF. Lepas tu ada Independent Center. ITF hadir. Oh, salam perkenalan tuan. Apa bezanya? Beza mazhab lah. Technically beza mazhab lah. Cuma dia asal dari negara yang sama, Korea. Masa tu Korea belum jadi dua lah. Sebab masa tu ada dia macam, tapi ITF original taekwondo. Asal usul dia dari sana lah. Macam tu. Beza mazhab. Lepas tu beza teknik juga. Kalau WTF tu yang banyak pakai kaki tu, yang kita banyak tengok dalam kejohanan, mereka banyak trik kaki yang menarik. Kalau ITF lebih relate ke kickboxing lah. Alright. Kamu one of the taekwondo student from SMK Tarat, right? Yes, true. Tapi SMK Tarat punya taekwondo I don't know lah, because I dah lama left. Join UFC. Jangan. UFC fighter dia lain macam. Hey, I love your content. Thank you. So you may like this video, so we may spread this live to the other people out there. UFC ni dia susah sikit sebab professional fighter kot. Okay. Sebab kita training untuk self defense actually. Sebab orang yang practice martial art, dia tak akan buat benda jenayah, as far as I concern. And untuk mempertahankan. Yes, correct sir. Let's student of Sir Moses, yes. Master Moses is my student lah. My student, sorry. My instructor. Lot learn from him lah. Mana Francis? Francis dekat Kelantan, USM. Satu self defense pun saya tak tahu. Okay, kepada yang tak tahu self defense ni very simple, okay. Tujuan kita belajar martial art is untuk kita supaya tak elak cedera, right? So first and foremost, self defense yang paling simple, okay, is lari. Alright. So kalau ada orang datang nak serang, if we can lari je, so what kalau dia menang, so what? Okay, at least we have our teeth. Lari is important. Lari je lah. Untuk apa lawan? Misalnya kata you tercederakan orang tu, nanti you pun kena charge at the court, because involving in pergaduhan considered as criminal act. So it is burden of proof. Untuk you proof dekat court lah, either you betul-betul betul-betul doing the self defense, or you memang nak bergaduh. So susah. Kalau tendang lepas tu gigit orang boleh kan? Boleh. Unless kalau benda tu betul-betul mengancam nyawa lah, okay. Kalau untuk laki senang je, tendang dia punya bawah tu, dan larilah. Tengah belajar skipping ke bang? Yes. If I not mistaken, you visit the main center at Sri Singai with JM Peter. JM Peter. Selalu JM Peter yang visit kami dulu, tapi sekarang saya visit lah dia. Since our center pun sekarang quite tak kenal juga, kadang-kadang ada training, kadang-kadang tak. Banyaklah kami tukar center. Since dulu best zaman kegemilangan dulu, awal-awal Covid, train kat sekolah. Masa tu dah habis sekolah tidur dulu, pukul 2 training. Best. Sir, kenapa budak zaman sekarang, terutama yang belajar Muay Thai, buat lawan dekat sekolah? Kita tak boleh salahkan the martial art of Muay Thai itu sendiri. Sebab kalau kita tengok persepsi orang, mereka kata Muay Thai itu lebih power lah. Itu persepsi. Padahal kalau kita tengok pahlawan Muay Thai semua adalah orang yang very humble, very generous. Macam Roteng, Jojo, very generous. So sebab mereka anggap Muay Thai is the only martial art yang power. So mereka nak gaduh lah. I don't know why. Because they feel superior. Dia rasa dia hebat lah. So it's more about individual lah. Padahal kalau dia practice Muay Thai pun, I mean, to be fair, kalau ada orang practice Muay Thai pun, kalau dia baru practice sehari dua pun belum tentu dia boleh lawan. Dia ada martial art lain, macam boxing ke, kickboxing, etc. Orang mana bang? Orang Serian dek. Sebab mereka fikir you know self defense akan acah-acah. Ya, itulah. Sebenarnya combat sport is very good. Combat sport is macam satu wadah untuk kita pukul orang tanpa masuk jail lah. Tapi ada orang yang salah guna. I don't know lah. Mereka cuma tengok dekat YouTube maybe, then they rasa power. Macam tu lah. But sebagai orang yang misal kata lah, tapi tak minta sebagai orang yang akan diserang, I mean kita perlu engage, ataupun we must know how to defend ourselves lah. At least jangan bagi dia orang tahu kita takut, okay? Tapi jangan melanggar, don't break the law lah, okay? Anything law is the first. Okay, the first self defense is lari sajalah. Sekarang kat sana masih training basic pattern, sparring, one step sparring, two step sparring, semua tu. Baguslah. Sekarang kalau saya take over instructor punya kelas pun saya akan buat macam tu. At least we back to basic lah. Sebab banyak orang cepat lupa. Even dia dah blue belt, dia tak macam zaman kami training dengan lab Moses. Okay, dia orang cepat lupa. One set sparring pun tak tahu. Sitting stand, walking stand, L stand. So it kind of sad lah. Okay lah, kalau dekat sana masih training basic, for me it's okay lah. It's okay, training basic. Even though I pun sekarang still training basic lah. Basic is fundamental for us. Okay, back to training. Need to do a bit harsh, like we used to train them before. Yeah. Tapi it depend lah. Sebab sekarang kebanyakan yang join kan budak-budak. Nanti kalau, sebab yang pelik budak-budak ni, itulah suka sangat sparring. Nanti injured, kita juga yang dipersalahkan. Kalau for us di center Serian ni, we bagi mereka pegang apa, kami akan pegang punching bag lah, something like that. So they just kick freely lah. So I think that is effective lah to training the kick and the power. Cuma kat sini susah mau gantung punching bag. Tak ada orang yang nak tolong saya pegang. So I can really punch, okay? Just follow you. Thank you. Did you join the first tournament that been held in Sri Singai before? Yes, I do join the 2023 one, and I become the champion for the free sparring category. Do you believe it? I won 7-0. I do have in my YouTube, and in the highlight you can scroll bawah saya punya profile lah. I won 7-0. Thanks God. And recently pun ada juga, if I not mistaken, at Bau, center Bau pun okay juga, best. Cuma for the black belt category is quite kurang lah. Hello Sifu Worldwide. Hello, hi Icon Vitamin C, how are you? Jangan panggil Sifu, biasa-biasa aja. Saya pun masih belajar. Nanti kalau korang ikut saya sit terror, korang salahkan saya. Gerau. Right. And now I will do you got to be. See, so. ITF kan? Ya betul, ITF. Australian kapok. Betul. Salam perkenalan. Karate. Bukan. ITF Taekwondo. Sambung apa? Saju jirugi, saju maki. Love your politic content. Teruskan. Thank you. Sebab banyak yang disagree. So yang agree quite rare lah. Macam you. Thank you. That's just my opinion lah. Okay. You guys, up to you guys kalau nak ada opinion. It's our right in the constitution. Okay. Masih terbuka untuk PBDS. Masih terbuka untuk upcoming PBDS punya movement. I don't know lah bro. Because to be honest, parti pembangkang dekat Sarawak ni macam, because Sarawak punya political landscape is very different lah. Okay. It memang dirancang supaya pembangkang kalah, especially pembangkang lokal. Because you see, kalau you bukan adun daripada kerajaan, you see kan dapat peruntukan. Then banyak kawasan dekat Sarawak ni perlukan peruntukan. So later people will blame you lah. So I think I quite pragmatic lah. Okay. Kind of sad lah. Sebab even Parti Malaya pun susah nak dapat nama macam DAP, PKR. Okay, because GPS government is very smart in using the what we call the Sarawak First Move lah, Parti Malaya lah, so on and so forth. Jap, ada yang komen ITF kah? Apa beza ITF dengan WTF sebenarnya? Since I'm not taekwondo athlete. Okay. Perbezaan ITF dan WTF. Okay. ITF, International Taekwondo Federation, diasaskan oleh Mendiang General Choi Hong Hee di Korea. Okay. It is the first organized and international taekwondo movement di dunia lah. So masa tu ada banyak sekolah bela diri lah. So dia orang bergabung, so bentuklah nama dia taekwondo. Then General Choi pun spreadkan ilmu ITF ni ke seluruh dunia. Okay, so ITF punya teknik is basically we macam kickboxing lah, use tangan dan kaki. Okay, so yeah. So they spread the ITF around the world, and Malaysia is the part of ITF punya pengasas lah, pioneer. So singkat cerita, masa tu kan perang dingin. So General Choi ni dia nak sebarkan ITF ni ke Eropah Timur dan Korea Utara, tapi kebanyakan orang dalam tu tak setuju. So when they tak setuju, dia buatlah satu federation baru, nama dia World Taekwondo Federation, WTF, atau sekarang World Taekwondo. So World Taekwondo ni dapat banyak pengiktirafan lah daripada seluruh dunia lah. So dia adalah badan yang organize major tournament in the world, macam Olympic, Commonwealth, SUKMA. So ITF, tournament ITF just organized by ITF saja. Okay, they not got a lot support like WTF lah to be held in the major competition. Okay, so kemudian WTF disokong oleh kerajaan Korea Selatan dan mereka kembangkan lah. And WTF punya rule is basically high pace kaki punya movement lah. So they very fast, okay, and very popular lah. So kalau orang dengan taekwondo, dia not dengar pasal ITF, dia dengar pasal WTF. Macam tu lah WTF. So WTF very popular lah. Okay, kalau ada orang buat video troll taekwondo, that actually they referring to WTF. Like that. Because WTF very popular lah. Tapi not saying WTF not good. Okay, even though taekwondo origin from ITF, doesn't meaning that WTF doesn't good. WTF is very good for beginner lah. I see. So kiranya ITF punya susu, WTF dapat nama macam yang lain lah. Lebih kurang macam yang lah. Sebab because nowadays people tahu WTF. Okay, even if you jujur lah, if kita pergi mana-mana, we say about taekwondo. Okay, they will speaking about the WTF punya taekwondo. If you mention like ITF ada. If you mention like taekwondo pun ada guna tangan. Like they mention, really? You guys use tangan? So macam lah. And quite few juga lah tournament. And kalau you dari WTF, kalau you ITF, you susah technically untuk career development. Okay, untuk career development susah lah. Sebab international punya competition tak banyak. Unless you dari WTF. Kalau memang berminat dengan sukan, high chance. I practice ITF myself because I memang suka dia punya teknik. Okay, I memang suka dia punya teknik. Alright, like this. One hook, cover head, cross, uppercut, back kick. Okay, so like that. I see, datang tanya politik, tiba-tiba tanya taekwondo. Apapun, thank you. Tak, sebenarnya taekwondo and politik is very related. Okay, you see, kalau you tengok General Choi, dia sayang dengan penyatuan Korea. Okay, dia nak sebarkan, promote dan ajar ITF di Korea Utara. Tapi Korea Utara masa tu dan sampai sekarang komunis. So it's kind of sad lah. Okay, because dia nak buat penyatuan dan orang pulaukan dia, orang Korea Selatan lenyapkan legasi dia. Alright, so it kind of political lah. Okay, kalau you see, personally for me, I think ITF should have been go so far. Begitulah. So taekwondo and politics is very relatable lah. Okay, because you want to teach taekwondo in a regime that doesn't fit your democracy idea, so you ban the people. Can be like that. Sport is sport. Sekolah rendah area saya more ITF. Since that I tak jadi anak saya study ITF. Oh, baguslah. I don't know lah whether maybe in Semenanjung ITF movement is much larger lah daripada di Sarawak. Di Sarawak we do health, but sometimes our organisation is not linked to one another, but technically our syllabus is the same. Okay, I do have and I do meet the night president of ITF Vienna punya orang lah, Grandmaster Leong Wai Meng. I do have his encyclopedia lah about taekwondo, about the stand. So technically yang break us apart is not about the technique, It's more about political, okay? The encyclopedia, the technique is there. Okay, so the world taekwondo is much more bersatu lah, right? So mana-mana martial art pun okay. Sekarang kan people prefer Muay Thai, right? Sebab Johan Ghazali very good young talent. I want tengok first Bunga all formation taekwondo and karate similar sikit. Oh, maybe same route. Yeah, same route. If you see, dulu kan Korea is under the Japanese occupation, so kebanyakan orang kalau nak survive, dia orang learn karate. Even pengasas ITF is like General Choi Hong Hee. He have a second dan of karate, right? But the philosophy of karate is about power and hardness. Okay, kalau kita tengok pattern karate very mengejutkan lah, very menyentapkan. So like they very fast, like very sudden and hard. Kalau ITF Taekwondo specifically, we have a cine move. Okay, so we up and punch, up. Okay. So like that lah. So same route lah. I can say same route. Even Tang Soo Do in China, Tang Soo Do Sobat Do in China, Taekwondo in Korea, and Karate in Japan. Because they all punya root is same. Yalah, Asia Timur punya martial art kan. Wow, I see. You even know Karate punya move on juga. Nang steady. Yeah. And Karate pun dia ada Dia ada mazhab dia juga dan lebih menarik. Okay, so if you like macam taekwondo, macam ITF kan, we use tangan dan kaki tapi we are semi contact, not as hard as like American Taekwondo Federation, ATF. So kalau ada in cabang karate yang kita tengok tu, okay, karate yang kita tengok dekat TV itu adalah World Karate Federation. Okay, they use Shotokan punya mazhab lah. They are sharp but sharp and speed lah, like that. Ada satu karate yang I like, which is Kyokushin lah. So very good lah Kyokushin, a very high full contact punya karate. So I like, kalau dalam karate I more relate to Kyokushin lah. Okay, like that, Kyokushin. You can search at YouTube or TikTok lah. Not as popular but dia punya move tu very best lah, best. Really steady lah you. Make follow lo nang best dengan cerita ya. Well, thank you. So, thank you. Semoga memberikan manfaat. Later I cerita pasal sejarah taekwondo ke karate, okay? So kita promote this art, okay? Yang penting all people doing sport, alright? Hello bang. Hello Cak Yoy. Training ke di main center? Cuba tunjuk sikit move bang yang paling susah bagi kita. Apa yang paling susah? Yang paling susah Kalau yang paling susah kami sepak bola. Banyak lah yang kami sepak bola macam 5-4-0 semua. Salam bang, salam perkenalan. So yalah, karate Kyokushin, Shotokun. Kadang-kadang namanya universal tapi dia punya mazhab tu not everyone practice it, but the most popular is yang kita tengok dia Olympic lah. Tali color apa bang? Black belt first dan. Mun yang kita nang mahe dah bang, coba pola sige. Minat nang enggak? Okay, tak kami cubalah. Tapi takut kita pada biasa-biasa aja, okay? So bagi kami yang susah dulu is jumping back kick, alright? So back kick basically from here, okay, kaki belakang up, itu then we kick, alright? So back kick is very berguna lah masa sparring. So nya macam if the opponent push you, okay, you can tengok kat banyak video push you kan, you can just jumping back kick, jumping kick. Okay, jumping back kick like that. Okay, So bagi saya jumping back kick lah. For me jumping back kick is most deadly lah. Okay, because it unpredictable. Nice bang. Thank you. Keep it up bro. Thank you. Okay. Ataupun turning kick. Okay. Again. Turn. Kaki depan up. So. Kena ada atlet yang bajunya sidai hitam. Kena ada atlet yang bajunya sidai hitam kedak kita. Ampun bawah ya. Oh, kadang-kadang ikut persatuan dan federation lah. Dan ikut grade juga. Kalau ITF-nya ada, kalau yang ranking bukan black belt-nya sih ada hitam situ. Oke, yang black belt ke atas ya ada hitam. Lepas ya kalau yang 5 dan which is the instructor-nya ada strip dekat sebelah kakinya and bawah. Semacam itulah. Teknik meper keeper adakah Mai? Kena ada atlet baju hitam. Okey, dah terjawab lah. Ulang gig bang yang back kick ya tek. Okey, boleh. Okey, faham. Sebab masa sekolah dulu, yang lain ada tanya-tanya, masih terangkan. Ya. Tapi ada juga. Tapi nya ikut orang lah. Sebab ada orang yang nya pakai ensiklopedia, nya pakai teknik WTF ataupun ITF, tapi nya persatuan sendiri. So nya si affiliate dengan the governed body lah. So kadang tidak ada baju warna merah, color biru. Most in America like that lah. Ulang gig bang yang back kick ya. Okey. So cara back kick tu, misal kata. Okay. So we in a ready stand. Okay. Sparring stand, alright. So kaki kanan di belakang, up. Then we kick. Alright. Fast motion. Okay. Kalau jumping, add jumping. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Alright. Ready? 1, 2. So begitu. Wow, ada 48 share. Thank you. Cuba tunjuk punch. Boleh. Aduh kamek tu. Thank you. Cuba tunjuk punch, okay. Punch taekwondo, ITF basically. Okay. Stand. Sitting stand. Okay. This is how we train the punch. Straight middle punch. Up side move. Up. 2. Hello. Thank you bagi gift. Okay. Apa lagi? Kami mau kakak tadi. Ada satu brother tanya soalan yang mencabar otak. Bagus. Last kita join tournament bila bang? November 2025. First join tournament November 2023. Bang, berapa dan? 1 dan. Sik terawih ke bang? Sik dek. Berapa dan? 1 dan ya. Quite long time jugalah for me training this art lah. Like many people yang sama best dengan saya dah quick. They don't have that kind of determination. Okay, I trained this for 2019. Okay, thanks God to my father lah, dia yang paksa saya. So I love this art lah. I mean, kinda sad bah. Kita tengok orang yang train sama kita slowly quick. Okay, masa COVID, from the 60 student reduce, then we got kicked out from school, cannot training there. Shit though masa tu. Then we open center at this kampung pun like 80 student, tapi mau sampai yellow, green belt, then they quit. Like that kind of sadness, you know. Like you grown older enough to see you punya comrade tuh pass away one by one. Kind of sad for me. Okay. Oh shit. Mantap. Salam dari ITF Selangor. Salam ITF Selangor. Sebab saya banyak tengok YouTube dan ITF Selangor punya video, memang very good lah. Siapa yang nak belajar ITF, you guys can learn from ITF Selangor. They are very passionate. They very know the technique. Okay, they much professional than me lah. ITF Selangor. Okay, much professional. You can learn from sebenarnya banyak instructor yang maybe they do have the international punya instructor punya certificate. Kan, I know bro, saya banyak student gitu. You know that kind of set, like you train from white belt lah, you slow grow, then you become instructor. Shit, like sedih lah tengok. Then we tengok dia orang kat pasar. Hey, how are you? Why you don't train again? Like busy. Like, come on, we pun busy. We have more commitment, but we do have spare our time, right? So I do many things to preserve this association, our club, right? Shit. For the badge, for this badge. Hi, handsome juga. Thank you. Like we do many things for this association to survive. But okay lah. Now quite good. Cuma today class cancel lah. Saya baru dah di tengah jalan, then I turn back. You know, I already, you know how passionate I am since 2019 until 2026 this year. I'm very passionate for this art. But people that I teach, most of them for free. Like, I don't know why you guys don't feel something, the connection in this art. Kan? Something to ponder. But I cannot force people lah. Because this require a very long dedication. Like my instructor once said, dapat black belt senang, tapi you to maintain the black belt susah. Apalagi to high the ranking. Sebab every day you must practice your technique, because you will sharing the technique to others. Kan? That kind of responsibility. Begitu. Aneh kuanmu. Sendak orang putih ku. Menimu kayak puan kah? Cuba mu Google Translate. Tinggi berapa? 171. Pajin menurutku setengah. Kayak ku dingahku. Yang paling susah ko training lah. Okay, like this. Like you must slow mo. Okay. To train your core, you must do slow mo kick every day. So for me, that's one is the very challenging thing lah in training. Okay. Singgah lagi kah? C. Not engine. Okay. Saya pun taekwondo tapi yang kuning. Oh, selamat tuan. Teruskan berusaha. Usaha tangga kejayaan. Wow, belt. So in ITF we do have special technique kick named twisting kick. Right? So twisting kick from here. Okay. From here. So you turn your hips to the left. Right? So in slow mo. Right? Okay. Twisting kick from ready stand. You turn your hips, kicking in the right side. Tenang, steady bang. Thank you. So sekarang I will teach you guys macam mana a basic sparring technique using a hand and leg. Right? So in sparring stand, you jump ready, hand up, guarding your side. Okay, jab one. Ready? One, cross, front kick. Okay? So jab, you must jab your opponent side. Okay, like that. So ready? Ha! 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Jab, 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 cross. Right. Jab, cross. Muka live. Hey, hi bro, how are you? Petrus di Walter. Lama nak training. Kita study apa bang? Kami study account di Unimas. Yang Putra Hasri kah? Siapa ya? Kami asyik kenal. Taigok 6 mok nangga. Kami rasa kita salah pattern lah ya. Ya adalah WTF. Ah, Chonji betul. Right, Chonji. Bagi live ha. Cuba. Chonji turn. Sejak. Honey. Hello. Show. Dah master kawan, steady lah bro. Thank you, thank you. Memang hal dia nak training bro. Training lah. Come on, come on. Aku dah pencet. Dah. Bagi untuk tali pinggang kuning apa? Belanja cuping lo bos. Okay, danggun. Danggun tercubit. Siap. Lanjut. Aku lekat batai pinggang merah je subak. Oh nak apa? Boleh join, boleh. Okay, this is one technique. One cross front kick. Alright, so spine stand. Ready? Jump. 1, 2, 3. Alright, jump. Ready to move forward. Move forward with jab. 1. Okay. Ready? Jab cross. Okay. Sangkut bak merah hitam. Oh, black tip. Good. Black tip pattern Chungmo kan? Bak akan lupa sikit. Chungmo. Okay. Jadi 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2. Kami masih red belt lagi. Oh, red belt pun okey. One step forward to black belt. Ready? Up, jump. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, we learn back kick. Okay, so back kick is a very powerful kick during sparring. So stand sini. Okay. Tutorial back kick is front kick, back kick, skipping. Move forward. Wah, banyak cantik. Alright. So back kick. Back kick, you turn. Kaki belakang up. Then you kick. Kick 90 degree. Ready? Ready? So back kick is very important untuk counter attack. Alright. So in case kalau you sparring kan, you gonna push, then back kick. A good back kick will land in his rusuk. Okay. So kalau kena rusuk memang sesak nafas lah. Alright, I do have my video when I do a kaki depan punya side kick. So oh memang senak orang tu, brother tu. So very important lah. So okay, ready? Okay, imagine you kena counter attack from here. 1, 2. Okay, again. Okay, 1, 2, jump. Tutorial spinning kick sambil lompat. Okay, spinning kick sambil lompat. Okay, mau mula. Turn. Okay, sekarang we campur jump. Laju bang, nampak susah doh. Tak ada susah. Dia memerlukan masa, okay? Kalau kadang-kadang training tu dia tak susah. Dia memerlukan masa, alright? Ni sobat do ke bang? Tak, ni taekwondo ITF dek. Okay, I will share the technique. Okay, tutorial jumping back kick. So from here, turn, jump, ready? Turn, jump, back kick. Alright. Tapi during real life we can use keseimbangan badan pun penting bang. Penting deh. Sebab tu kita selalu training core. Kita training kita punya perut. Alright. So dia kuat. Roundhouse kick. Tapi kalau sini kami pakai instead turning kick. Okay. So roundhouse kick, turn. Okay. Kalau versi yang lebih bagus lagi. Ready? Okay, kalau kita nak training kita punya core tadi kan, berbalik pada soalan core tu. Okay, we up, slow, side kick slow. Okay, cuba tahan. Okay. So that's the only way for us to training our punya core lah. Beside from push up, sit up, and plank. Alright. Same thing. We're training dua-dua kaki. Up. Alright. Baik. Okay, thank you. Semoga bermanfaat. Side kick senang. Up. Jumping side kick. Ex-student SMK BR. Mana SMK BR? Split. Bukan spirit. Split, saya si pandai gila. Saya cuba lah. Karate ke taekwondo? Karate. Taekwondo. Saya sampai bawah. Terbaik dek, terbaik. Taekwondo wajib pandai split ke? Tak wajib, sebab saya pun tak pandai sangat 100% split, tapi split bagi advantage lah. Alright? Split bagi advantage. So jangan risau pasal tu. Alright, as long as you kick, you angkat kaki. Okay, front kick, basic kick. Okay. Kalau ada orang datang dekat, we try elak. Dapat elak. Front kick. Okay. Abang pelik. Abang pelik, laju orang silat dayung kau hantar ada silat dayung tiada langkah-langkah. Abang boleh melanjur kasih jago jilat payung. Oh. Okay, terima kasih guys kerana sudi meluangkan masa. So I see you tomorrow, same time, alright? So thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.